Yes, hi. Hello, Marvel fans, and welcome back to Marvel's Daredevil Season 1 reviews. Yes, welcome to my episode 3 video, Rabbit in the snowstorm. At the end, we saw Kingpin talking, a woman talking to Kingpin. Yes, oh yes, we did. Yes, it was really good, fantastic, and dramatic at the same time. Oh yeah, it was. Oh yeah, it was. Yes, we saw a woman talking, yeah, Vanessa Murray talking to, Kingpin, and not going, yes, we saw, Kingpin, yes, Daredevil's arch enemy, yeah, it was really good, awesome, directed by Adam Can, and written by Muscle Mammoth, yes, it was really good, brilliant, awesome, and brilliant, and epic, and at the same time, and dramatic. I said this. No flashback this in this episode. Come on, need more. Come on. Yeah, it was really good. Awesome. Oh, how you doing? Yeah, I do the chances in a minute. Yeah, this episode was really good. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, so it was really good and awesome and epic. Right. Yeah, and dramatic at the same time. Here's the synopsis of the episode. Yeah, Matt becomes suspicious of his and Foggy's latest weapon clinic. Yeah, yes, the clinic, um, yes, the clinic, latest clinic, Wesley clinic, died at nearly the end of the episode. Yes, he just stabbed himself in the eye and died. Yeah, just violently and really, really violently. And scary. And shocking at the same time as well. Yes, the verdict of this episode, episode 3, Rabbit in the Snowstorm, I'm gonna give it 9.4 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10, and a solid A minus. A minus because it was really good and fantastic at the same time. So, hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'll be doing Thunderbirds and Go and more Marvel's Daredevil. Please guys, subscribe, like and share. Bye.